Hello folks, my name is Malay and this is me and my team's project for DU Hacks 2.0. So let's have a glimpse of it. So here we are with our main screen of the project, and here to register with a new user we just need to add some basic details of it and click on submit button. And on clicking submit button, a real-time database will be automatically updated with the new user and ready to mark his attendance. So let's take an attendance, or let's have a look of how it will detect the face. So here we are. After clicking on the take attendance button, it will redirect us to this new page, and here our live webcam from a laptop is running right now, so from that we can check that out. So after I will so you can see over here. So as soon as I just look into right into my webcam, it will automatically detect my face over here, as you can see, and it will encode first our image, the live image, and then detect the face from our real-time database over in the server side, and then it will also mark our attendance, also the roll numbers, all the details that we have earlier filled, and the database can be updated daily or hourly or at whatever time you want. That can be adjusted. So this database can be for work for corporate world, also for the university level also, where students can mark their attendances right after the lecture or before the lecture, whatever they wish. So this is our project, and let's do it one more time. As you can see over here, it is detecting, and also the my face will be visible in a rectangle box, so that will detect our live image, and attendance will be marked over here. As you can see, currently this is my second demo for the video, so it has marked second time, and the current rate is hourly, so I tried that 1 hour before, so it was 1, and then now it's 2. So it can be marked the daily, and after the attendance has been marked for a lecture, it will be updated directly into our database. So yeah, that's it, our project, and hope you like it.